And I'm Mackenzie.
And I'm Hank.
Welcome to Ryan and Mackenzie's Guitar Lessons.
And Hank's. Welcome to another lesson. We got the drummer already started. Hey, wait till you get to play out with a drummer. They start playing before you even get tuned up. It's crazy. So always tune your guitar before you get there, or before the drummer gets there, because they start doing like this. So we're going to learn how to play with just this hand mostly, okay? We're going to focus on this hand and the beat, right? Right? So it's going to be pretty cool. We're going to strum along. Now the cool thing is you got to practice this to get to know where to strum across the strings. Grab your pick. Okay, you just grab your pick with your thumb and your pointer finger. Just grab it like this, right? Just like that kind of a thing. And then you're just going to strum down. We're in open B tuning, so we don't have to worry about our hand. 3, 4, strum 2. Come on with me. Strum 2, 3, 4. Strum 2, 3, 4. Okay? I'm going to turn it up. Ready? Do this. Strum 2, 3, 4. Come on, you can do this. Come on, it's easy. Alright? Alright, ready for the next step? We're going to go like this. Strum, 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 strum. Keep going. Good job. Alright, so the next thing is, let's learn how to use our palm. So we're going to put our palm on the strings, like that. Right? We're going to put our palm on the strings. This is called palm muting. Sometimes when we're going like this, it just sounds too much. Right? There's a time for it. So we're going to go like this. See how it kind of muffles it? So what I'm doing is I'm just putting my palm on the strings. I'm resting it right on there and I'm kind of going through. So if you take it off, it goes like this. But if you put your palm on, it goes like this. So I'm doing my wrist. Alright? So let's try that. Palm on a little bit. Right? It's just muffling it. You don't want to go too up by the hole. Look, now I got nothing. You want to put your wrist down right by where all these strings are going across what's called the bridge. Put it on the bridge. Okay? Let's try that. Let's get the drums going. That's always better to have drums going. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, it's very quiet. Now we're going to go fast again. Ready? That's a lot of strumming. Now my hand's kind of coming off a bit. It's too fast, so my wrist is coming off. But when you go slow, you can go like this. So I just want you to practice with that. Put it on. Just get used to some different rhythms. You can do it, right? Alright, now that we've kind of got some strumming going on, let's use a 1-finger chord. We're going to put it on the 4th fret. 1, 2, 3, and 4. We're going to slide it down to 2. Okay, we're going to go between 4. So we're going to go like this. Strum, to 2, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, back up to 4, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright? We're practicing timing, so come on, you can do this. We're gonna put some drums on. Give me the drums. Okay. 4th fret. 1, 2, 3, 4. I know, I just jumped right in there. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, and strum. No, you missed it again. I'm sorry, my fault. 1, 2, 3, 4. Strum. 2, 3. Down to 2. Strum. 2. Great. 3, 4. Back up. There we go. You got it now. 3, 4. Join in when you can. 2. Down the 4th fret. 2, 3, 4. You're doing great. Come on, we can do this. Come on. 4. 4th fret. 2, 3, 4. Just keep doing this for a while. Get in the groove of it. You know how to strum now down here. You know, you can do palm mute if you want. Palm mute, right? It's pretty quiet, but that's what it's supposed to be. Right? Now, if you strum up here, it sounds different. A little mellower. Hold your pick really loose. Let it go through the strings. Don't hold it too tight so it's going like that. Hold it nice and loose. Hold on. Doggone it. This is going to happen to you. My pick fell in the hole. The only way to get it out, don't freak. The only way to get it out is to tip it upside down. Don't let have anything around you so you bonk your guitar. Gotta go like this. Did you see it fall out? Alright, so that's strumming, alright? You practice on just doing that to a beat. If you want drum tracks, I got some cool drums. You gotta ask your mom or whoever, you know, whatever, email me because I'll send you some cool drums. And then you just play to it, you know? You can do your own thing. You start making up your own songs, for Pete's sake. That's what you want to do. Start strumming and singing. Get used to taking your finger, moving it up and down the neck, okay? And strumming. Find out where it sounds good and where it doesn't sound so good. Don't be afraid to go up on this first string. What's cool too is going all the way up to the 12th fret. Count yourself up, 12 frets. Usually you have a couple of dots or something like that. My dots are way up on the inside of my guitar on here. So I'm way up on the 12th fret. And listen how cool this sounds. And go down 1 fret. So pretty. So pretty like a bird flying. Do some strumming. Thanks for listening. Don't drop your pick in the hole.